A SendGrid API key is required to authenticate your application when sending emails via SendGrid. Here's how to generate an API key. Log into SendGrid. First, go to the SendGrid website and log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to API key settings. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From the Settings menu, click on API Keys. Create a new API key. On the API Keys page, click Create API Key. You will be prompted to enter a name for your API key. Choose a name that helps you identify the key later. Select Permissions. Choose the API key's permissions. For most use cases, the full access permission will be necessary, but you can select Restricted Access for more security. Full access allows you to send emails, manage templates, and more. Generate the key. Once you've chosen the permissions, click Create and View. Your new API key will appear. Copy the API key and keep it secure, as you won't be able to view it again. Integrate with your application. Use this API key in your application to authenticate with SendGrid and start sending emails.